First, visit bensexperience.com/hostinger and hit enter. After landing on this page or any other page on Hostinger website, go to Services, select Website Builder. Now scroll down to see these two plans. Right now, Hostinger offers premium web hosting, the premium plan and the business plan. From my experience, the premium plan is useless, especially for having an online store using Hostinger website builder. Why? Because here e-commerce features are not available, and with e-commerce feature, I mean you can't add a payment gateway. You can't add Stripe, you can't add PayPal, you can't add even cash on delivery. I will log in one of my Hostinger website to show you that. First, I will verify my subscription. As you can see, this is the plan. It's just premium. So now I will go in one of my online stores using Host Builder and go to settings, payments. As you see, ready to start selling online, you need to upgrade to the business plan in order to be able to add payments. Next to PayPal, if you click on connect, you see this upgrade window. Same thing for Stripe. You need to upgrade to be able to add Stripe payment gateway. So this turns this premium web hosting plan or website builder plan is useless. So your only option you can opt for is the business website builder plan. But at least you will be able to create up to 50 websites and you will get a free domain with this plan. And of course, the 30-day money back guarantee. Let's go with this business plan. Click on choose plan. And here select, in my case, I will go with just 12 months. And the subtotal is almost $60. Click on continue. Now I will register for a new Hostinger account. This is my email address and I will fill in my new password. And this is my new password. Click on register. Now let's fill in my billing address. Click on continue. And now let's jump to the payment method. Here I will pay using my credit card. I will fill in my name on card. After filling your payment method information, click on submit payment. Here I filled my bank verification SMS number. And just like that, as you can see, my payment is done. Let's go get started. And as you can see, they automatically sent me to the Hostinger AI website builder. I will return to the account dashboard. Click on hostinger.com. Click on login. And this is my new account. As you see, even I've opted for a website builder plan, I can still install a WordPress or create a WordPress website. And this is how to buy or sign up for Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Thank you.